So I just, I'm pretty proud of myself right now. Cause let's look at this. I've been watching this like math competition, and then they have this question. Charlotte places the coin on the center of the square marked M in the 7x7 grid shown. How many ways are there for her to spell math by moving to the 3 other squares if for each was, and you know, since I'm such a fucking genius, right? By the time I got to this comma, I knew what the question was asking. Let's move on to the photo, okay? How many times can we spell math? How many ways? And then I start going random ways, and I'm like, there's no way this is the right choice. And then I realized, wait a minute, if I count the amount of each square, and then for each of those squares, count the amount of possibility they have, and then multiply that, and then count for each other square, multiply that, then I'll have the answer. But I was like, wait, what about these corners? Because then the corners, you can go to T 5 ways from the corners, but from the adjacent ones, you can only go 3. And then I had the striking realization, oh, I'll just do 2 separate calculations. One for these A's, so I'll do 4 times 3 times 3. And then for the corner cases, I'll do 4 times 5 times, but then I got to this T can have 5, but then the other T's can only have 3. So I subtracted 1 from the from one of them, and then I subtracted 1 from the T's. Yeah. So I did 4 times 4 times 3, and then there was still one more calculation to do left, which was 4 times, which was 4 times 1 times 5. And then you add all of those together, and then you get 104. And then just look at this kid's face when they get it wrong. Look at them. Yeah, that's the face of disappointment. Hey, it'll take you 5 years to become as good as me. Let's see what the answer is. 104 ways, bitch. 104 ways. 104 ways. You know, this reminds me of all those kids and dogs in hot cars crying about how hot it is, when in reality it's not even that hot.